We know today already from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, for example, that at 2 degrees Celsius, we would have already a bump up to probably 2.5 degrees Celsius just because of the loss of this resilience in the Earth system. This gives tremendous scientific support to the Paris Climate Agreement. It gives tremendous scientific support to stay below 2 and aim for 1.5. Now, what's the journey we have to take? Well, we have to start, just as Christiana Figueres would have eminently with her stubborn optimism shared with us here, bend the curve of emissions no later than 2020 and rush in a decarbonization pathway shown here in grey, equal to a global carbon law of cutting emissions by half every decade to essentially a fossil fuel-free world economy by mid-century. But that's not enough. We need to transform the food system from the single largest emitter shown here in brown to become the single largest carbon sink. We have the solutions for this, but this is an agricultural revolution. But not that is enough. We today have actually caused, as Al Gore showed, so much climate forcing, loaded so much in the oceans, that we need to, whether we like it or not, invest in carbon capture and storage and different forms of biological capture and storage to be able to keep climate forcing under 2 degrees. But not even that is enough. We have to maintain the negative carbon sinks in ecosystems so that we have a minimum level of resilience in oceans, coral reef systems, all the ocean systems, and terrestrial ecosystems on land. If we do all this, we have a 66% chance of staying under 2. This is the scientific conclusion. It is nothing less than a systemic global sustainability transition that requires the stewardship of all the planetary boundaries. It's not enough to just decarbonize the energy system. We need to take care of biodiversity, land, water, nitrogen, phosphorus, air, the whole paradigm shift into a whole new logic for the future.